Felting, consolidation of certain fibrous materials by the application of heat, moisture, and mechanical action, causing the interlocking or matting of fibers possessing felting properties. Such fibers include wool, fur, and certain hair fibers that mat together under appropriate conditions because of their follicular structure and high degree of cream. Wool can produce felting even when mixed with other fibers. Unlike bonded fabrics, felt do not require an adhesive substance for their production. The history of knitting. Early in its history, man invented hand knitting, a pair of heavy, hand-knitted wool socks discovered in an Egyptian tomb and dating from about the 4th century BC, is the oldest known knitted fabric. Centuries later, knitting, or rather the Old English word cretonne, was found in literature of the year 1492. The 15th century saw the perfection of the art of knitting, and within a few generations, it has spread throughout Europe. Originally, needles were carved from bone or wood. These needles generated only coarse meshes and uneven fabric. The Spanish improved this by making steel needles. The first knitting machine was constructed by an Englishman, Reverend William Lee. It produced 8 loops to 1 inch of width, which was to cause the Reverend rework his machine so that it could knit 20 loops to 1 inch. Modern knitting machines still use the principles of Reverend Lee's machine, but the average number of loops is now 28. Plain stitches produce a smooth face material. They are used in making fine, thin, or sheer fabrics. Rive stitches produce lines of frills on both sides of the fabric, causing the fabric to be very elastic. Tack stitches form by holding one loop on a needle while taking on one or more additional loops and then casting all of them onto another needle. Furl stitches have successive courses of stitches drawn to opposite sides of the fabric, thereby making it very elastic in the lengthwise direction and quite elastic in the crosswise direction.